Hi everyone, the name of our tool is Beyond. Today we're going to discuss the two features on this site, the pros and cons, and this will be an effective tool to use in an educational setting.
Making an account on Beyond is fast and free. Once you create an account, you can begin utilizing this site. Here, we can control the actions and the positions of our animated characters, as well as the expressions.
There is also a tool feature that enables dialogue, an additional attribute to the video. Here you can add characters to whatever scene you have chosen from. There are pros and cons to this site.
One of the pros is the Essential Library that allows you to pick and choose among characters. There are lots of variation with the characteristics such as hair color or eye color.
An additional pro is that when creating a new slide, previous characters are easily accessible, and there are a multitude of props to utilize. The cons include that the animation site might be unprofessional for business administration.
Another is that there are certain scene settings that cannot be altered, such as standard writing on a chalkboard. After addressing these pros and cons, it's essential to consider if this source would be good in an educational setting.
We feel that this will be useful for an educational setting depending on the grade level. Early childhood students might be more engaged in this format.
Regardless, we can agree that this source is useful and enjoyable. We hope you learned something about Beyond, and thank you for watching.